Transform your child's playtime with the Mono Beach Princess Tent, the ultimate fairy tale playhouse. Designed like a real castle, it creates the perfect secret space for kids to dream, read, and play. With twinkling starlights and spacious enough for up to 3 kids, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor fun. Made from high-quality polyester, it's durable and easy to clean. Don't miss out on giving your child the magic they deserve. Click now to make playtime unforgettable. If you need something specific, let me know in the comment and I'll find the best product for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more great videos.